hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a
Wait muna ako ng paitan, guys. Mamingwit ako ng paitan. Yung pain ko, bulati. Bulati ang pain ko. Yan. Ito. Yung pain natin, bulati. Ano, master? Amingwit tayo ng paitan. Tingkilan, dalawa. Yan, cepat. Yan, dalawa. Sabit ang dalawa, mga master. Yan, cepat. Hulin dalawa. Yan, parihong laki oh. Yan. Cepat. Yan. Yan, kaya naman. Hey. Yan, huli na naman, laki. Yan, laking paitan. Laking paitan, mga master. Ayan. Yan. Laking paitan, no? Sapat. Matagal din bago nakahuli ulit. Yes. Dito kami mamingwit. May nakita kami ditong magandang spot. Yan. Baka may malaking hito dito.
A few moments later.
Mga master, subukan namin dito mga master. Baka may mahula. Yes, thank you Lord. Go! Ito! Mga master, baka may mahula. Yes, thank you Lord. Yan, ito! Ah, laki! Sapat! Sapat mga master. Yan. Nakahuli yung kasama ko ng hito. Yan. Malaking hito. Sapat. Yan, Unil oh. Huli ni Unil. Yan. Malaking hito mga master. Dalon!
Dalon! Ha? Taga!
Blow ngay kubag!
Blang ay kubang! Ano, ikuha ko.
Yan. Pat. Ayan. Uuwi na kami kasi malapit na ang umulan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything